Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if your promo is good enough to run ads for the Black Friday in 2025. I could have said all that in the previous video, but I feel like it was going to be buried away, and sometimes people don't understand that there's so much competition on Black Friday with the promos and the ads that people are running that they are neglecting the fact that they need to have something which looks competitive or at least Black Friday worthy, okay? So if you're having, for example, a 10%, even if you're selling something which is 1K, let's say, and you're doing $100 off, which is 10% something that you can give, but you cannot do 50%, so give them 500, phrase it in a different way. Try to say that I'm giving you 100 off, okay? One very big example, it's my chair, for example, Secret Lab. Secret Lab is giving 10% on Black Friday, if I remember properly, but they say 250 off. Okay, they don't say, for example, that they're going to give you 10% discount because it looks like it's something cheap. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that they are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more, so I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. People like to work with numbers, okay? They resonate with it. So if you explain it to them, it's going to make sense. For example, sometimes people, they have a 20% discount, but you can also do buy 2, get 1 free, for example. So in that way, you are able to have a promo which is looking like someone is getting something for free, while they don't understand that the 20% maybe it was even a better offer for them. Let's analyze one by one the offers that I have seen. Percentages, okay? So in percentages, I can tell you that something which is above 25% or 30%, maybe it's a good thing. There is a new theory that's around that says that if you put 37%, it's going to convert better. There are some case studies that they're proving with results that's converting better. If you want to do it and if you want to try it. But people now, I think that if you start doing that, then there's going to be people doing 37.5, and then there's going to be people that they do 37.32, and it's going to get mad. In my opinion, anything above 25%, 25-30%, it looks good for Black Friday. Anything below that, maybe it's going to look really cheap, and maybe you should consider the option number 2, which is dollars off. If you're having something which is on high value, maybe you should consider of phrasing it like, I'm giving you $200 off, okay? $500 off, $300 off, whatever that may be. If you do it like this, then you're having better chance of converting instead of saying 10% because people are not going to just calculate how much is this. Third one, you can do buy 2, get 1 free, buy 3, get 1 free. Don't do like one of my past clients that he has done buy 6 to get 1 free because this is what makes sense. You can also feel that this is too much, you know, to say. So do something that makes sense also, but it's also looking like they are getting a bargain deal, okay? So maybe you cannot put a 10% or 20%, but maybe you can put buy 2, get 1 free, buy 3, get 1 free. Another thing which I have seen, and sometimes business owners don't understand that people don't give a okay? So let me tell you, they say, if you buy this and stuff, then you're on the first tier and you're going to get this. If you buy this, you're going on the second tier. Nobody's going to read all of that. So you need to have something which is going to be simple, it's going to make sense, and it's going to look like a bargain. So don't try to do these different tiers of things unless if you have to, but the offer has to be simple. The offer has to look appealing. Don't try to overcomplicate it just so that you can throw more value or whatever, people don't care. Imagine that in this period they are being bombarded from all of these different ads that they are showing 50%, 99% off. I have seen all of these things, okay? So they are seeing all of these offers, and if you're having something super complicated, they have so many options that they're not going to just sit there and read. Some people and some owners that they do understand the value of lifetime value customer and the money that they can spend along the way with you. They do understand that the Black Friday is an initiation period, that somebody who doesn't know your brand, maybe with a good offer, is going to be lured to buy, and maybe he's going to buy again and again and again the next month. Some people, sadly for you, as a competition, they're willing to lose even money to get some new clients on this period, so that they're going to be able to monetize them later. Of course, it's not being done from most companies. Most companies are winning a lot during Black Friday, but there are companies, for example, subscription models, which are used to lose money on the first acquisition and they get money on the retention, that they are actually losing money there, giving a better offer. Okay, one example which we all know is Netflix, for example. Okay, convinced everyone to take 2 or 3 months and then you just keep it, you know, because it's a very low cost. But they convince you by giving you something for free. I'm not saying that you should do the same, but I'm telling you that there are people that are willing to do that because you have to treat Black Friday in a sense of being an offer that's going to bring you a lot of new customers, and you don't have this chance many times throughout the year. Maybe this is a chance for you to get some new clients inside, which are going to give you a lot of lifetime value, and they're going to buy again, and they're going to be repeated customers. So treat it seriously. Find an offer that makes sense. It's simple. It's a good deal, and it's, even if you are losing a little bit from your profit and you don't have the same profit margins, it's totally fine. You're going to make it later because you're going to have so many new clients. Have a strong offer because people are seeing a lot of offers and they don't give second chances, and understand that this is the only month of the year that you can have initiation of new clients, which is so important for many companies for the future revenue that you're going to have the next months. Now, if you want to know how you are going to run this offer, because if you have solved all of these problems and you know what offer you're going to run and what makes sense, and you have an irresistible offer, you need to know how to run it with Facebook ads. And my course is the best way for you to learn how to do it. It's not really late. You can check it now and you can start running your ads, preparing for the Black Friday. And inside we have videos which are from beginners to really super advanced level, with CB optimization sessions, with chosen 5 sessions, one-on-one sessions of me with my students solving problems on their ad accounts. You can see below all the testimonials from the people that they actually have completed and how much they have benefited from it. Also, I do have my mentorship programs. It's for high spend individuals. If you are spending more than 5K, 10K per month, 10K per day, sorry, not per month, and you want to scale during the Q4, let's talk. I cannot promise you a spot on daily calls because most likely all of these spots are right now taken, but maybe we can find a hybrid way of working together. And you can see below all the testimonials from the people completed the chosen 5 programs. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.